Today, we embark on a 7-day cruise aboard the MSC Seascape. Join us as we walk you through the entire embarkation process, along with some fun times exploring this beautiful ship. So come aboard and wander with us aboard the MSC Seascape.
Okay, it's 12:25. And we are getting in line. We just got through security, and we're going to get in line here and see how long it takes us to get from security through the check-in process.
Oh, look, I don't even have to look far. Thank you. Good morning, or good afternoon.
It's 12:33, and 12:33. And I believe we started, what, about 20 some after?
Something like that.
So we are already getting on the ship. We walked in at about 20, 25 after. It's probably, what time you got in?
38.
It's 12:38, and they already called our group number. 43, so
and we've gone through all the layers of security.
So going through all the layers of security and everything, about 20 minutes till we're stepping foot on the ship.
Gangway! Woohoo! Vacay time!
Woo-hoo. Oh, that air feels good. It's a little humid today, but the air feels good. As long as it doesn't rain for embarkation and for the sail away party. I think it's drizzling out right now.
If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and smash that notification bell to be alerted of all of our upcoming cruise videos that we put out every week. All right, we gotta go to our room.
What floor? Oh, we gotta, yeah.
Yeah, we should be on
9.
no, I mean where we are now. About 5 or 6,
Oh,
maybe?
this is 6.
Okay.
We're on 6, so we gotta go up.
Yeah. I know.
And, pose. When you first get on the ship, if possible, avoid the elevators, because they are packed.
So the key cards are already on your door. All right, welcome to 9240 on the MSC Seascape. Let's check it out.
Ooh, this is a pretty nice room.
This is a nice room. Now, full disclosure, this is the first time Chris and I have ever had a balcony room. We normally travel interior. So this is all new to us, but we got a complimentary upgrade. So
Yay us.
yay us. So we're kind of excited today. All right, so looks like we've got a couch first and foremost, and it is a fold-out couch. So in theory, you could sleep more people, I suppose. Never mind. So we've got the couch. Nice desk area. So what I like about MSC in the desk area is there tends to be lots of little cubby storage. You know, there's some on the side I saw. You've got some shelves here, drawers, a couple more cubbies over here on the side. So that's all really nice.
And then down below, there's those seats that pull out.
Yep. You've got some seats, two seats that looks like stools that pull out. So these, you've got 2 of them.
And then the mini bar.
That you can pull out. We've got a mini bar, which is unlocked. Normally in the interior, they're locked and you have to ask. So we've got a mini bar fridge. Okay. The outlet situation. People are always worried about the outlet situation. So you have 2 European outlets. We always bring our European adapters. You've got 2 basic American AC adapters. You've got 2 USB ports, and I think, yep, there's another one over by the bed.
And the bed looks pretty comfortable.
So, nice size bed.
Queen size, I think it's queen.
I think it's a queen, yeah. Oh, Chris, you have to check out this balcony.
Well, and there's a lot of storage over to your left
So
there,
yeah,
too.
this room is kind of a little, it's an unusual room because it's between two different classes. So on the other side there's it's a whirlpool room. So this is kind of the remainder. Plus this is where the ship curves in. So we've got a lot of nooks in this room.
But a lot of storage for bags and so on.
But yeah, this is going to be a perfect spot to put luggage and things like that. Oh, Chris, you got to check this out. I think we're ruined. Oh yeah, look at this. And it's covered.
It is covered.
It's covered. Little rain shower just came through, so it's a little wet. But we've got 2 loungers and 2 regular chairs.
Yeah, and here's the room next to us with the whirlpool. But they don't have a whole lot of space either.
No, it looks like it's mostly taken up with the hot tub.
It's mostly taken up with that hot tub. So, and then the rooms,
And the room next to us.
and if you look here, the rooms next to us, this one does not have the angle. So this is a really large balcony. But up here, these up here are all the standard ones, which are a little bit more shallow for balconies, versus the ones down here are the extended balconies. So that's what makes this one even nicer. But yeah, there's this little angle, but it's not a bad situation by any means. And like we said, we have this covered part here, so even if it's a little rainy, we could still sit out here if we wanted to. So now we'll make our way back in. And we'll take a look at some of the closet areas. There's this large mirror right by the bed, and we'll just kind of leave that at that. But nonetheless.
Nonetheless.
Closet area, I'm thinking this will be pretty standard for these newer ships.
We were on the seashore just a few months ago, so very similar. You've got shelves, your safe, 2 drawers. The bottom one is a dummy drawer.
Not sure the drawer would like you to say that, but.
And then the spot to hang your stuff, and then some little cubbies below for shoes or whatnot that you could put on the bottom.
Okay. Then we'll make our way, check out the bathroom area. I see they got some hooks on the wall too.
And some hooks on the wall.
We did not have that on the seashore.
Yeah, we did.
Did we?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, and then the bathroom, I'm thinking it's probably standard.
Looks pretty standard.
Oh yeah, pretty standard. As you can see, they've got some nice spots up there to put your toiletries and so on. Pretty standard outlet right down here. The one thing to keep in mind on these ships is, for whatever reason, probably for space issues, they do put the garbage can under the sink, just as an FYI. And then the shower situation. This is a pretty compact shower, I will say.
Well, very similar to the seashore, though.
So it's going to be cozy in there. Here, I'll step in. Let's give people an idea.
All right, Chris is in the shower.
Oh yeah, this is smaller. This is smaller. So this is going to be cozy. This is smaller than the other one was. But we'll make it work. We will make it work. We can make do for a week.
Our home for the next week.
There you have it.
There you have it. So, one of the first things we always do is check out our table for dinner when we get on the ship. So, we checked out our table. We had a table for two, which normally we don't normally get, but this time it was at the 5:15 seating, and it was
Too
just
early.
a bit early. So, we asked to switch to the 7:15, and we just got that done.
And the nice thing about that was this time it only took about a half an hour to do it. Last time it was about an hour and a half.
Oh, plus.
And so that part was great, but also they didn't have a big line like before. They just made everybody sit and they took your name and then they called you up when it was your turn.
Much better experience.
Much better experience. Big thumbs up. I'm glad they fixed that.
After we finished changing our assigned dinner time, we went to check out the Marketplace Buffet. There we found plenty of great options to choose from, including some really nice fruit options. We returned to our room just as the ship was leaving the port of Miami. We were really lucky that we were able to pass the Icon of the Seas and look at this amazing ship up close from our balcony. The weather was a little hit and miss, so MSC decided to do the sail away party in the atrium. This is the second trip that this has happened to us, but they still put on a fantastic show. It spanned all 4 atrium decks and even included a conga line. We had some time before dinner, so we decided to walk around the ship and explore all that it had to offer. We came upon the dueling pianos on Deck 6 in Times Square. This is a fan favorite, watching the 2 pianists go back and forth, challenging each other and playing some amazing hits. From there, we made our way up to Deck 7 to the LED tunnel. This is an outstanding photo opportunity spot, and the tunnel changes colors, so be ready for many photos. On the aft side of the tunnel is the hot air balloon experience. The LED back wall changes scenes, and there's always someone in there taking photos, so we felt really lucky that we were the only ones around at this particular moment. Get in here. It was getting close to our assigned dinner time, so we made our way back down to Deck 5. We passed the Seascape bar, and it was already pretty packed. The first night of dining was a little chaotic. Things seemed to be a little bit disorganized compared to other ships, and it did take almost 30 minutes between courses. I ordered a Greek salad, and Chris ordered a stuffed meatball for the appetizer. We both ordered the prime rib and baked potato for the entree. We both felt that our prime rib was a little bit tough. However, one of our friends also ordered the prime rib, and they said it was one of the best they'd ever had, so I guess you never know. We ended dinner with dessert. Chris had cheesecake, and I had a pistachio cake. Dinner ran a little bit long, so as soon as it was finished, it was time for us to head upstairs to Deck 7 to the Chora Theater. The first night's act was music and films and featured classics like Singing in the Rain, the Rocky theme, and James Bond's Goldfinger. They put on a great show. From there, we headed to the back of the ship on Deck 7 to the Le Cabaret Rouge Lounge for the glow party. This was a lot of fun. We stayed after to take in the regular DJ dance party. People really got into it, and the dance floor was packed. It was another fun-filled embarkation day on the MSC Seascape. Join us next week as we travel to the port of Tejano Bay in the beautiful Dominican Republic. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.